So in the last video we talked about the heading tag h1 to h6 and we talked about the paragraph tag. Now let us extend our knowledge to some more tags. So what I will do, I will cut all of this code and I will just put in h1, which will say. And one more thing I had to say that if your emmet is not working, then make sure you have installed VS Code correctly. Okay, so that is one problem which I faced when I started learning HTML. So you can also, if your emmet is not working, you can reinstall VS Code and it will start working fine. Okay. So I will put in h1 here with saying 2, 3 and okay. And what I will do, I will now tell you about some more tags. Okay, so after heading in paragraph, I got one tag which was a tag for linking any site, any external page or something like that. Okay, so what I can do, okay, I can put in a tag here. Okay, you can see in emmet I am getting some things, so I will just take in blank a and press enter. You will get this thing. Okay, now what does this mean? Now we have not talked about these things, so I wanted to tell you about this in this video. So see here, we whenever we have a tag, an HTML tag, like we had the a tag, other than taking the content between these two, their the closing and the opening tags, it also can take content here. Okay, after the in between of the starter tag. Okay, these angle brackets. So this is this is called that attributes of an HTML tag. Okay, so let me tell you what are the attributes of this HTML tag. So it takes the attribute of href. Href means hyperlink reference. So it means to what you need to refer to when this link is clicked. Okay, so let's say I want to refer to https://google.com. Okay, and you need to put some text here. Okay, so let's say go to Google. Okay, go to Google. Okay, I will save this and you can see something has appeared there like a text. I will zoom in. Okay, go to Google. It is underlined. It is in blue color as you see normal links. Okay, and as soon as I press it, I will be taken to google.com. Okay, I will go back. And one more you can say here is that if you want to open in the new tab, like you want to when I press go to Google, the website gets destroyed. That website which was opened like this website which I've made, this got away from the screen. So what you can do, you can come here and add a second attribute without any comma or something. You need to add target is equal to, and in the this what we say quotes, we will add something like underscore blank. Okay, so underscore and blank. Okay, so this. Okay, and I will save this. I will now as soon as I press it, you can see a new tab has opened for me to open that link. Okay, so this is how you open a new tab. Okay, so this was about a tag. And now let's move to another thing. So now I will tell you about img tag for image. Okay, img. I will press enter. You can see it has two attributes: source for src for source and alt for alternate. Okay. So let me first tell you about source. Source means what image to display. Okay, it can be a network image, it can be a image on the local files. Okay, so let me search for an image. Okay, I will search for an image, and what I will do, I will make this first of all bigger, and I will go to this one. Okay, so let's take any one of them. Okay, I will copy the image address. Okay, copy the image address, and then I will minimize this. I will paste it in src. I will paste this in src. Let's go back here, and you can see I got this image. Okay, it is very big. It is, I think, it is a 4K image or something like that. It is quite big to fit from this small screen, so that's why it is coming like that. Okay, it's at 612 into 612. Okay, so because I've minimized this window, so that's why it is doing like that. So you can see our image is coming here. Okay, so you can do that. Right. Other than that, you can also like get an image to your local machine. Okay, like in a project folder. So what I will do, I will get an image. Okay, let's say just this one, this cool cat. Okay, I will save image, and what I will do, I will save in my projects folder. So what I will do, I will come here, I will copy the path of this. Okay, so I will copy the path of this file. I will come here, I will paste this. I will go to this folder, yeah, tit one. Okay, and I will paste it here with a like simpler name. So I will delete this name, which is I have got for default, and I will say one.jpg. Okay, I have got it downloaded, and you can see there is one.jpg. Okay, now what I will do, I will remove this link. Okay, I will cut this link, quite a long link. Yeah, I will cut this link, and I will put that one.jpg here. So what you need to do, you need to put a dot slash, which means in the current folder, and then one.jpg. Okay, I will save it, and you can see I've got that image. Okay, so you can do the either way. Either you want an image on a local machine or want an image on from the net. You can do the both ways. Okay, so this was linking an a tag and image with an img tag. Okay, and you can do the same with a video tag. Okay, video, and it will take the source. So I need to search for a video. Now I know you all can do that. I will not go for it. You need to provide a source just as the image, but you need to provide a video here. Okay, so that would be a video tag. And then yeah, I forgot to tell you about alternate this one. Okay, so let's assume that this image is not available for any case. Okay, or there is some problem loading that image or something like that. Okay, so like let's say I put something wrong in the name which does not exist. Okay, so this alternate text will be displayed. Okay, so I can type here the cool cat. Okay, and because this is not an image, this is not a valid image in my folder, it is taking the cool cat as a picture. Okay, you can see the cool cat is displayed in place of the picture. Okay, so this was that, and now I will make it again back to correct form. Oh, sorry. By the way, if you want to do undo, let me tell you, you can press Ctrl Z in VS Code to do undo if you did any mistake in the code. Okay, now what I will do, this is the a tag, which is the image tag. Now same is with the like if you have ever gone to YouTube, if you have ever seen YouTube in very like deep, so I will open a YouTube video, random YouTube video. Let's say this one. Okay, and what I will do, you can see some whenever you share. Okay, whenever you click and share, you can get a link here. Okay, not here. Okay, just a second. Okay, this is I think not aligned to embed. Okay, just a second, I need to get some other one. Okay, let's try this one and share. Okay, just a second, I think full screen will work. Don't know why it is not coming. Yeah, okay, I forgot to see. Yeah, there is an embed option here. Okay, and you get an iframe HTML tag. Okay, so like if I copy this, Control C, and I hope this video is not copyright, otherwise I don't know. Yeah, okay, yeah, sorry if I did any wrong thing. Okay, now what I will do, I will paste this here. Okay, so this is an iframe tag. Now YouTube has given me something very long thing. Okay, iframe tag, it takes a width. Width is like what will the width of that video display, and height. Okay, so then there is a source. Source is the YouTube link it is an embed link. Make sure it is an embed link, not the full-fledged YouTube link which you can see like in my browser, which you can see this is not that link. Okay, it is an embed link where only the like you can say the video is okay. So if I open this link, okay, you can see only that video is displayed, nothing else. Okay, so this is the embed link. Okay, So you can see the title you can give frame border, that is nothing to see, and allow full screen. This is like not useful very much. Allow full screen means that you can get a like this option, full screen option there. Okay, then this is a iframe tag to display something. Okay, so YouTube uses it to help in embedding the you can say some videos of YouTube. Okay, now I will remove this, and this was the video. Okay, and I think I am done for this video, and let's meet in the next one. Thanks for watching, and bye.